Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Cristiano Ronaldo. So we'll start in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. From the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle and we want to pull this in or highlight. And then we'll go back and fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now with the eyes in place, let's move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. We'll start on the left side, bend this down, and then up. Let's move up in the center and draw a short curve going up and then down across the bridge of the nose. Now I want to move down and draw the top of the mouth. Starting back on the left, curve this down, and then up. Add a small bracket on the ends. Now I want to open up the mouth. Starting back on the left, curve this down, and then up. Along the top, let's add another curve for the top row of teeth. And we're going to fill the bottom of the mouth in black. Just underneath the mouth in the center, let's add a small curve for the lower lip. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. Let's start from the outside on the left. We're going to bend this up, and then curve that down on the inside, and line it up on the right. And then I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the left side, we're going to go up higher in the middle, and then taper that down towards a point in the inside. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step over, goes down. We're going to pull that in underneath the mouth, and then bend that up on the right side. Now he has a little mole in between the eye and the corner of the mouth. So right here, just going to place a dot. We're just going to work our way around the eyebrows. We're going to go up and then in. Let's curve this around and then in toward the top of the hairline. And then from the left, we're going to bend this in and then down toward the center of the forehead. Let's go back and enhance the cheekbone. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this in and then down on either side. Let's go to the side of the head and draw on the ears. On the left, we're going to go up, come around, and then in. We're going to add a fold across the top of the ear. Then go back to the inside and add a hook. Now let's go up to the top and brush the hair over towards the left. We're going to start from this top corner, bend this across and then down, bend this up, and just pull that in. Let's add another layer, starting back on the outside, going out, go up toward the top, and then down. I'm going to step back, add another point, come all the way across, and then down. And add one more point going up, and just pull that in toward the top right corner of the head. Now we're going to go to the side and close off the head. I'm going to start on the left, bend this out, down, and then in on top of the ear. Let's go all the way up on the right side. Do the same thing, going out, down, and then in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar. Underneath the chin, add a curve going down and up. Let's go to the side. I'm going to curve the body, going out and then down towards the hip, on the left and right side. Connect the hips with a curve going down and then up. Now I'm going to add the large number 7 in the center of the body. So we're going to start with a straight line across the top, come down toward the center, flatten off the left side. Now I'm just going to trace this all the way down toward the bottom and then flatten that off. Let's move to the center of the body, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to curve the bottom of the feet. So we're going to start from the left heel. I want to bend this down and then up on both sides. Go back to the left, want to curl the foot, going up, bend this down toward the heel, and then curl that up toward the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the hip. We want to bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's separate the shorts. From the left side, we want to bend this down and in. Step down and draw that again for the top edge of the socks. I'm going to add a small number 7 over on the right side, so just following the same steps that we did along the top. And we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on the left and right shoe. We're going to add a toe cap from the outside, bend this in and then down toward the center of the foot. And we're going to separate the laces. From here, bend this up and in toward the top of the foot. Inside this area, I'm going to separate the laces with 2 curves coming in. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We want to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So we start right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the same height as the hip, towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now we want to add 3 fingers on either side. So we're going to start underneath the thumb, then the first finger coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, bend down and up the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, go up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. We're going to separate the cuff from the thumb with a curve, going up and then out. Step up, we're going to draw that twice. I'm also going to add a trim around the collar. Coming down and then up. Now I want to add a few more details to the body. We're going to add a patch over on the left arm. So we come in, down, and then out. Let's add that band across the right arm. Start with a curve, step down, draw that again. And we'll fill that band in black. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Cristiano Ronaldo. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.